Hello and welcome to the Custody and Visitation wing of the Monroe County Family Court. This video is meant to show you what this court does for you and, in turn, what you need to do for the court in order to prove your case. If you're a part of a custody and visitation case, then what you or your attorney need to do is show that your desired outcome is in the best interest of your child. The term best interest is not an opinion that you or your child hold. Rather, it is a legal standard that this court uses to determine a final custody and visitation agreement between you and your co-parent. Before anything else, the court will attempt to ensure something called continuity. Essentially, the court will look at the current custody and visitation agreement between you and your co-parent. If there has not been a recent and substantial change of circumstances, it's likely that the court will rule for the current arrangement to continue. If there has been a substantial change in circumstances, or if you have not yet established a custody and visitation agreement, the court will make a determination based on the current circumstances surrounding your child. Primarily, the court considers three key factors. The first is the relative fitness of you and your co-parent as guardians of your children. Fitness is determined by the court through hearing the quality of life that the child has under each parent's care, how each parent raises any children other than the child subject to the case, and how each parent cares for any special medical or educational needs of your child. The second primary factor is the quality of the homes that you and your co-parent are raising your children in. This goes to cleanliness and safety of the home, as well as any additional amenities that your child has access to. The third primary factor is you and your co-parent's abilities to support your child's intellectual and emotional development. This means supporting and aiding your child as they grow in school and at home. After these primary factors, the court considers several other factors. These include your relationship with your co-parent. The court will ask questions like, are you two able to work together to share custody of your child? Are you able to contact each other directly? Which parent is more likely to abide by an agreement? And which parent is more likely to give meaningful contact to the other? Additionally, the court will consider any past domestic violence determinations against either parent. Finally, the wishes of your child do have some influence over the court. They are never the determining factor. Rather, an independent attorney for the child will conduct interviews with your child. They will use what information they get through these interviews to form their independent analysis of what the best interest of the child is. Depending on the age of your child, the attorney for the child may weigh your child's opinion differently in their calculation of your child's best interests. You should never try to influence your child's opinion of your co-parent or attempt to put words in their mouth. The attorney for the child and the court are able to determine if this has happened, and this has a substantial negative impact on your case. That's about it. Thanks for watching this video on how the court will determine the best interest of your child. You should contact an attorney if you have any questions about your particular case. Good luck and take care.